Good morning, students of class 9. Perhaps there is some problem in visuality of questions I'm writing. So from today, I will try to write in bigger letters. But what I am writing on blackboard, I generally speak in English. So you please listen it very carefully. Once again, in this crucial position, I am suggesting you please just stay home and yesterday we had already discussed about the change of state in matter. Now today, effect of change of temperature. What effect does temperature occur in matter? Effect of change of temperature. We have to understand that when we rises the temperature, then what does it mean? When we slow down the temperature, then what it affects? So these are some changes by heating, by cooling, by freezing. These are some states. So by increasing the temperature, a solid can be converted into liquid, and liquid can be converted into gaseous state. By increasing the temperature, solid can be changed change in liquid, and liquid can be changed in gas. This is by increasing the temperature. So when a solid is changed into liquid, this phenomena is called the melting. And when liquid is changed into gas, this phenomena is called boiling or vaporization. Now by decreasing, what we can say? By decreasing the temperature, a liquid can be changed in a solid. These points become more clear from the following discussions. What will be the discussions? First, solid to liquid change. There are so many differences here. First, solid to liquid change. This is called the solid to liquid change is known as melting. The process in which a solid is changed into liquid. by heating is called the melting. That is ice in a solid form is changed into water that is liquid by increasing the temperature. What is the melting point of an ice? This question arises up at which temperature ice starts melting. This is called the melting point. The required temperature at which solid starts melting is known as the melting point. That is, the melting point of ice is the melting point of ice is 11 degrees C. As usual, iron starts melting at 1535 degrees Celsius. Different solids have their different melting temperature. Okay. Conclusion is concerned. Thus, when a solid is heated, it changes its physical states and becomes liquid. This is the first topic, beta, and I hope you all will have understood it very well. And once again, I have a nice day.